What if I told you that the way we flirt, love, and marry is deeply rooted in our evolutionary past? In an apocryphal story, a colleague asked the great British geneticist J.B.S. Haldane about God, and he replied, "He has an inordinate fondness for beetles. Just as nature loves beetles, it seems to have a special place for the human mating game, with its complex and subtle strategies." From the jungles of Amazonia to the salons of Paris, women flirt with a universal sequence of expressions. A smile, a swift eyebrow lift, wide eyes, and a nervous giggle. These gestures signal interest and are believed to be innate. Men, on the other hand, often use dominance displays similar to those seen in the animal kingdom. The chest thrust is a classic example, seen in everything from codfish to gorillas, and yes, even in men. Eye contact, or the copulatory gaze, is one of the most striking human courting tactics. A 2 to 3 second stare can trigger a primitive part of the brain, evoking emotions of approach or retreat. Even baboons engage in similar eye contact rituals during courtship, showing our deep evolutionary roots. In American singles bars, courtship unfolds in stages, starting with the attention-getting phase. Men exaggerate their body movements, while women use a mix of masculine and feminine gestures to draw attention. High-heeled shoes, invented by Catherine de' Medici, enhance a woman's come-hither pose by arching the back and thrusting the chest out. As potential lovers become comfortable, they begin to mirror each other's movements, a phenomenon known as body synchrony. This rhythmic mimicry starts in infancy and is common in many animals, from chimps to howler monkeys. Human courtship also involves cautious, slow wooing, much like the male wolf spider's careful approach to avoid being eaten. The dinner date is a classic Western courtship ritual, where offering food is a widespread ploy to gain sexual favors. This courtship feeding likely predates the dinosaurs and serves to show a male's abilities as a provider. Our unique odor print plays a significant role in attraction, with women being particularly sensitive to male scents. In parts of Greece and the Balkans, men offer their scented handkerchiefs to women as an invitation to dance. Sexologist John Money's concept of a love map explains why we are drawn to specific traits in potential partners. Despite varying standards of beauty, good complexions and cleanliness are universally attractive. Men generally prefer plump, wide-hipped women, while women are drawn to men with resources. Love at first sight may have evolved to spur quick mating decisions, much like a female squirrel's need to breed with a suitable mate. However, infatuation fades, typically lasting between 18 months and 3 years, according to psychologist Dorothy Tennock. Only 16% of cultures prescribe monogamy, while 84% permit polygyny, allowing men to spread their genes. Despite this, monogamy is the norm, with most people naturally pairing off and marrying one person at a time. Yet, infidelity is common, with surveys showing high rates of extramarital affairs among both men and women. From a Darwinian perspective, men seek variety to spread their genes, while women may engage in affairs to acquire resources. Divorce is a common, albeit regrettable, part of human relationships, with specific social or legal procedures in place worldwide. The 4-year itch sees divorce rates peak around the 4th year of marriage, often coinciding with the end of infatuation. Marriage, infidelity, and divorce are all part of the intricate dance of human courtship, deeply rooted in our evolutionary history.